Welcome back. This is another video on rationalizing a fraction with surds. So I'm just going to go straight into it. Remember, when you have a fraction at the bottom, you need to flip the sign of whatever's at the bottom. Or multiply it, of course. So what do we do with that? Well, we got 5 square root of 3, and then we've got 2 minus square root of 3 here. Okay, I'm going to multiply now. I'm going to multiply. On the top, I do 2 plus square root of 3. On the bottom, I also do 2 plus square root of 3. I also do it. Okay, so what does that mean? Let's go with 5 square root of 3 multiplied by 2 plus square root of 3 here. And at the bottom, 2 minus square root of 3. I'm just going to write it out. Don't fit. Okay. So remember, this is difference of two squares. This is difference of two squares. We're going to cover it in the next in a later video. But if you know it, you know it. If you don't know it, look at the other videos. So that's just going to be 2 square minus 3. Okay, or square root of 3 square. Just leave it there for completeness. Here I am going to, on the top, I'm going to explode. I'm going to explode the bracket, or you can share the bracket rather. So I'm going to 5 square root of 3 multiplied by 2 plus 5 square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3. Okay, let's keep going. So what do I have here? Well, 5 square root of 3 times 2, that's just going to be 10 square root of 3, okay, plus 5 times square root of 3 times square root of 3, so that's going to be 5 times 3. Let's have a think about this a little bit further, just in case you're a bit confused about, oh, what happened there. Okay. Let's see. What is here? Well, that is basically 5 square root of 3 times 2, right out here. That is 5 times square root of 3 times 2, which gives me 10 times square root of 3, which gives me 10 root 3. So hopefully that made sense. Similarly, if I take this out again, I have 5 square root of 3 times square root of 3, which gives me 5 times square root of 3 times square root of 3, right? Which gives me 5 times 3. Okay, let's keep going then. On the bottom, what do we get? We have, well, 2 squared, that's 4, minus the square root of 3 squared, so that's just going to minus 3. Okay, let's keep going. 10 square root of 3 now, plus 5 times 3, so that's 15. 4 minus 3, that's 1. Anything divided by 1, that's just going to be, well, what it was before. So no changes there. So so that's just going to be 10 square root of 3 plus 15. Okay, so that's it really. Let's go and look at what the question said. Yes, they said that, okay, can be written as 15 plus 10 root 3. What have we got? 15 plus 10 root 3. So that's all good. Nothing too tricky here. Just remember the sign. You need to flip the sign and you need to multiply top and bottom with it. But yeah, it's a pretty standard procedure. Usually they give you quite a lot of marks for these ones as well. So a good one to learn. All right, good. And I'll see you in the next video.